can't leave yet.
Why not?
There's something I have to do.
Like what? I know that look. What do you plan on doing?
I have to see my mom before I go. It won't take long.
Look, we talked about this. You remember what happened last time? It was your word against his, and your mother didn't even show up to testify.
She's still my mom, and I still love her. I'm not going to do anything crazy. I just want to see her again before we leave. Just give me a few hours, okay?
Kellee.
I promise I'm not going to do anything crazy.
Yeah, I heard that.
James! I'm going to go see my mom.
Kellee, I love you. You're the only thing I have in this world. And I know you. I know you're planning something.